Are you tired of Roblox disconnecting you on your PS5 or PS4 after just 20 minutes? You're not alone. This AFK timeout issue is a common frustration. Here's why it happens and how to deal with it. The root cause isn't usually Roblox itself, but rather the console's power-saving features kicking in. Your PlayStation is designed to conserve energy by shutting down inactive apps. Roblox detects this inactivity and disconnects you. While there's no official permanent fix yet, there are effective workarounds. One of the simplest is to disable the screen timeout in your PS5, PS4 settings under System Power Saving. This alone might extend your playtime before a disconnect. Also, be aware that some Roblox games have their own AFK detection systems that can work in tandem with console timeouts. Let's explore some reliable solutions to keep you in the game. A popular method involves using a secondary device, like your phone or a PC. Log into Roblox on both your console and the other device. Periodically, use the secondary device to perform small actions within the game, such as moving your character slightly. This simulates activity and prevents the console from thinking you're AFK. Another tip is to ensure background processing is enabled in your PS5 settings. While not a guaranteed fix, it can help keep Roblox active in the background. Be cautious about using unofficial automation tools, as they can violate Roblox's terms of service and lead to account bans. Sticking to manual workarounds is the safest approach. The Roblox team is aware of the issue and may introduce console-specific patches in the future. But for now, these user-driven solutions are your best bet.